Hi guys! So we're gonna have lunch. Ziggy is here. And you know what? Ziggy's asking to watch another horror movie. He loves horror movie. Even before Walking Dead. That's the one he's always watching with me. Oh my gosh. He's eating lemon.
Yeah!
Small.
Okay.
Bite. You like it?
Another try bite.
Go.
Let's eat, guys. We need to throw some of my toys. And look, guys.
Yeah, I throw some of his stuff.
We throw some of my stuff that was not working.
Yeah, those are not good anymore. I'm using this so he can draw. Here, like this.
Like that?
Yeah, there you go. Nice, so it's clean.
That's for colors.
Bacon, and then this is the leftover tortang talong. I ran out of garlic, so I'm using this. Yep.
Guys, look.
So he's eating using his hand.
Like you, Mom.
Yeah.
Like you, Mickey Mouse.
Good eating that way?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pinoy eating style.
What's Pinoy eating style?
Filipino, like that. Pinoy eating style. That's the way the Filipino eating. Go.
Pinoy eating style. Upper Gangnam style. Why zombies say Upper Gangnam style?
That's Korean, diba?
I thought the zombies not singing.
Oh, they're not singing. They just made that video so people can watch it. But zombie really don't sing, okay?
Upper Gangnam style, and I want brains.
Brain. He's snoring, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. Guys, he's just watching and then I'm editing. And then we look at him, he's already asleep. Oh, naman. He's really sick. Okay.
Go Kohl'S, and then after we go to Kohl'S, we're going to WHATTABURGER.
Mark is here now. Hi, handsome.
Hey, baby.
Oh, nothing. Just quick, huh?
I just saw him, too. I need to pull the truck up.
Okay. Let's go find Ziggy. Ziggy's hand time. I just saw him. Oh, nothing. Oh, so red.
Driving in the road.
We're here now at Khols, guys.
My wife's holding me at bay.
What?
She won't let me do anything. I'm a kept man.
Whoa! What is that? I heard something on the back.
Nothing.
Otoka.
No.
Udot ka? Huh?
So what do you say?
Huh?
What do you say?
Thank you.
No. Otoka.
Yes.
Hi, in Tagalog.
What the ako?
Okay.
That's what I wear?
Yeah, you wear it. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you're Spider-Man. Yay! It's like this. Nice.
Oh.
Go check.
Elsa.
We're here at Kohl's inside now, and Mark is on the other side. Loco! We're going home now. We just had dinner here at WHATTABURGER.
Her second favorite place to eat. Jack.
This is my favorite place.
Second favorite place.
What's my favorite place? Tell me.
Popeyes.
What's your favorite place?
Good.
Okay, what is your favorite food?
Burger and fries, and then a drink, water.
Which one you don't you like?
Burger and fries.
No, just one. Burger or French fries?
You know, they'll play too. I was like, damn, they get picked apart by the lions.
This is hard to talk to you. Which one do you like? Which one do you like?
What?
The French fries or burger?
About a French fries or a burger? I think it would be Filipino food.
Ah, you just had a double. Like a double.
I like it though. I like all of them. Except for that bitter melon.
Yeah?
I hate that bitter melon.
We're leaving now.
No what? No hate. What's that mean?
No, I said it means no hate.
Oh, because you said I hate that bitter melon.
Oh, okay. I dislike the bitter melon a lot. A lot. Super lot. I do not like that thing. You know why? It's bitter. Ugh. You love it.
Go dance. How?
Where did you see that
The
dance?
one earlier. The one you're dancing earlier.
Where'd you see that dance at?
I saw from TV.
On TV. Oh, okay.
Oh, slowly. Yeah, that's right. Go. Not harder, slowly. Hey, are you okay?
Looking at the time.
Come on.
It's hard.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go. That is there now.
The fire is gonna hit me on the back.
Oh my goodness. Oh, we're leaving.
You can put your arms in here. And then on the back, a big one. A big hole.
Yeah. Look at that. It looks like upset. Oh, nice. I like it. And there's inside. Look at that. Candies. Oh, there's the one. There's a big one. There's no price in it.
Look at this. This is upset eyes.
Mark is there.
And mouth.
Yeah?
Look at this. The other one is a big size of this one.
Oh yeah, we saw that before, nah? Las Vegas.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then this one has no four ones.
Oh.
Because people took them off.
Oh my goodness. I was sleeping now. Oh. Alright, good night.
I'm so sleepy. Look at that beautiful piano. Good night. Good night, guys. Guys, look. Do you have no more in mine?
Yeah, you feel better now.
Bye.
Hey guys, hi, we're home now and I'm gonna show you we got from Kohl's. So Mark has his shirt, this $18. Before it's $60, the original price.
We got it for 30% off of.
Yeah, 30% off. big, huh?
Yeah, so it's like $12.50.
We never had 50% off, huh?
No.
They're not sending it, no?
No, they don't. 30% is the most.
So we got 30% discount on this. Nice.
That was in the clearance rack.
Yeah. True. Same price, of course. 70% off. Plus 30% off. Can you believe that? Or close to 100. It's almost free. It's a good brand. It's breathable clothes. It's a 90% off. Oh my gosh. Very stretchy. Look, stretchable. There. $49 and 90% off. $4.90 now. It's feet. This one. I can't believe I'm still small. Okay, so this is a small size. I think they're baking it. Dress. This is extra small. I can't believe this. Extra small. It's $50. And then 70% off. Now we got it. Now it's $15. That's it, guys, for today. And thank you so much for watching. I want to say good night, everyone. Thank you so much for the people that subscribe to our channel. Please keep watching our video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night.